Hello YouTube, it's HTNR here, back from another video. I'm going to keep this one quick. It's raining outside, so I thought I'd do this video. This is my mini flint and steel tin. All you need to have it is one of these here wee tins, mint tins. All you need to do, 2 cotton pads and 2 scrunched up tissues. And shove them in here. Flint and steel. This is actually made from an old file. I will show you in a video how to make this here. It's raining outside, so we can't do it today. And then 2 pieces of flint. Then you can just close it out with the cable tie and do some fancy paracord leaf or whatever you like. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'm trying to step up my videos here a bit with new camera on my phone. So yeah, please remember to like, subscribe, do all that brilliant stuff. Tell your friends about these videos, and yep, bye bye from HTNR.